This video, Fire Damage Restoration, is brought to you by moreremoval.com, the leading website on news, videos, and how to find a mold removal contractor or tester in your area. When your home or office has been damaged or destroyed by fire, time is critical in knowing what to do. Your first thought is, why me? What now? The most important thing is protecting you and your family and getting it cleaned up and repaired as quickly as possible by a certified company. Whether you've had smoke damage, fire damage, water damage, there's no time to delay in regaining your property. In the aftermath of a fire, toxic chemical problems can present themselves. Don't re-enter the damaged area because it can be very dangerous. Always remember, Healthy Homes Incorporated is aware of the importance of restoring the fire-damaged area to its pre-lost condition. We offer smoke removal, water restoration, then we repair the burned surfaces. The professionals will remove all the structural components from your home or business. Call Healthy Homes if your home, office is damaged by fire, water, or other types of natural disasters. Visit moreremoval.com for additional questions regarding any disaster you may have.